William Gibson, the theorist who came up with the concept of cyberspace, famously said that the future is already here, it's just not evenly distributed. Some of us are already surrounded by an AI-powered future robots. Cleaner floors, cleaner pools. Our health is constantly tracked and nudged in the right direction by our fitness devices. Our appliances converse with us and track our produce. And our families have vigilant and tireless 24-hour watchers that alert us to falls and seizures. For some of us, almost everything we do is touched by something we recently considered science fiction. From robots that prepare shipments to intelligently nurtured fruits and vegetables we consume. All of these innovations need AI, and none of them need large language models. This is Edge AI, to get from the future for a few to the future for everyone. We need to make AI available everywhere to everyone. It needs to be cheaper, easier to use, and more private. Ambiq's unique power advantage is a critical component to the democratization of the future. And that is Ambiq AI's unambiguous mission, to bring the future to everyone everywhere. Ambiq. Intelligence everywhere.